Warning! This is literally the most speculative SPAC I believe I have ever spoken about. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. I got the clothing line to prove that fact. And today we're speaking about ticker symbol VGAC, VG Acquisition, Sir Richard Branson's SPAC. So pretty much overnight, these guys have gotten a lot of hype, okay? I've seen their name being thrown around in my Discord group in particular for a few days now, and I want to talk about it. A few things to understand right off of the bat. There is no definitive agreement in place. There is nothing, and I mean truly nothing, but speculation in regards to who this company is going to be merging with. The primary company that is being speculated to be the target is these guys right here, a company called Envision. And you will see that Virgin Galactic and Envision already have a relationship in regards to this electrical race vehicle right here. Envision AESC, redefining the battery for a beautiful energy world. We're going to be speaking about this battery because it's quite insane. I want to go through a couple of things from two separate SEC filings that show us they are allowed to merge with this company if they want to. And I want to speak about some things that Richard Branson has said about electric vehicles pretty much over the last 5 years. So again, guys, I know we speak about SPACs a lot on this channel. We speak about high risk growth stocks a lot on this channel. I really want to stress, this is complete and utter speculation at this point. Now, I love a bit of speculation, okay? I love trying to get into these companies early. In this scenario, even before we have a merger target. But I just want you guys to be extraordinarily aware of that. There is a lot of hype around these guys, and I expect there to be a lot more hype over the next few days, so just be aware. But in today's video, I am going to speak about why I believe they could potentially have Envision on their radar. So my friends, right before we get into the video, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? It's free, it helps your boy out, I would appreciate you. Drop me a comment down below once you've watched this video. Let me know what you think about this particular SPAC. And please, my friends, if you are new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. Why not? If you're interested in joining my private Discord group, hit the first link in the description, but don't sign up today because they will charge you today on the 1st, so wait until tomorrow. But in there you'll get my buy and sell alerts. You'll know if I bought this company. You also get access to over 40 private channels. And if you want some free money, okay, hit the second link in the description, sign up to Webull and deposit $100. You will get 4 free stocks, 2 of which are valued up to $3,700, which is just insanity. Now with that being said, my friends, let's get into this. So we can see as of right now, we're at 10.16. Pre-market, we're up a little bit. I'm recording this only about an hour or so before the market is open. So I suppose the first thing to say is this. VG Acquisition Corp announces pricing of upsized $480 million initial public offering. That is considerable for a SPAC. And guys, this came out the very start of October. For $480 million, that's considerable. The company was formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, amalgamation, share exchange, asset acquisition, share purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination. What these SPACs do. The company intends to focus on business that operate in one of Virgin Group's core sectors: travel and leisure, financial services, health and wellness, technology and internet enabled, music and entertainment, media and mobile, and then finally, renewable energy and resource efficiency. Now, sometimes with SPACs, it will be outlined from the start that they will not merge with a company they have worked with in the past, or a company who already has a stake in a particular part of their company. If we come over to their Form S3, you will see here, we are not prohibited from pursuing an initial business combination with a company that is affiliated with our sponsor, officers, or directors, or completing the business combination through a joint venture or other form of shared ownership with our sponsor, officers, or directors. In the event we seek to complete an initial business combination with a target that is affiliated with our sponsor, officers, or directors, we, or a committee of independent directors, would obtain an opinion from an independent investment banking firm that is a member of FINRA, or a valuation or appraisal firm, that such an initial business combination is fair to our company from a financial point of view. Long story short, they are allowed to merge with this company that is Envision. This is the primary company that it is being speculated they are going to work with for a few reasons. So a lot of you guys may not be aware of who Envision are. Okay, that's very fair. Renewables and intelligent IoT technology are redefining the future. They stand to solve the challenges for a sustainable future, and they already have a presence with electric vehicles, batteries in particular. They are a world-leading green tech company with the mission of solving the challenges for a sustainable future. That's very important to understand. They design, sell, and operate smart wind turbines through Envision Energy, AIoT powered batteries through Envision AESC, which we'll speak about, and the world's first AIoT operating system through Envision Digital. It also owns Envision Virgin Racing Formula E team. They continue to promote wind and solar power as the new coal, batteries and hydrogen fuels as the new oil, and the AIoT network as the new grid. It leverages global network of R&D and engineering centers across China, the United States, Germany, Denmark, Singapore, and Japan. They became the first company in mainland China committed to 100% renewable electricity by 2025. So right off the bat, very, very exciting company. Now again, I want to stress the fact there is no definitive agreement. This may never happen. It may not even be a renewable energy or resource efficiency related company. It may have nothing to do with electric vehicles or solar panel or anything like that. It could be travel and leisure. It could be anything. March 19, 2015. Richard Branson says Virgin might compete with Tesla on electric cars. This is not something new. I mean, Richard Branson is known as an innovator. He's a great businessman. He has already said this for years and years, they might compete with Tesla on electric cars. He hinted 5 years ago that an electric vehicle meant for the roads is quite possibly in the works. Now obviously that didn't happen, unless you include the race vehicles. But we've got teams of people trying to develop and work on electric cars, so you never know. July 8th, 2016, Richard Branson. In 15 years, I suspect every car on the road will be electric. Bold statement. I don't agree, but I do think an awful lot of them will be. 10th of May 2018. The next 10 years are going to be ridiculously exciting, Sir Richard Branson, on Formula E and why everything needs to turn electric. The man clearly has huge interest in electric energy, in renewable energy, in clean energy. I think that's why a lot of people are getting excited about Envision. The SEC filing most certainly would suggest that they are able to merge with this company as well. That is very, very important. Now the thing I want to say, guys, is in regards to SPACs, let's keep in mind this is a new SPAC. SPACs are not generally formed with a target already in mind. SPACs can go literal years without anything happening. That's why this is somewhat risky right now. There's no definitive agreement. You could buy into these guys and nothing could happen for 2+ years. And you are sitting on dead money unless you decide to sell, either at what's probably going to be a very small loss or a very small gain. But if it does end up being Envision, I see this stock moving up tremendously quickly. Now Envision AESC, redefining the battery for a beautiful energy world. In the future, we will redefine batteries. We will use innovative materials to increase energy density and decrease the cost. By adopting artificial intelligence, we can predict risks before they appear. Through AIoT, we will turn an electric car into a green mobile personal energy source. It will absorb more green energy and make power grids more stable and safer. We've seen this become more and more important lately as well, guys. The grid isn't going to be able to keep up with all of this moving to electricity. OEM level cooperation in full lifespan battery management. In the past 12 years, they've accumulated huge data and industrial know-how through the cooperation with Nissan, enabling us to provide comprehensive power battery system solutions. In the future, we also hope to work with global OEMs to establish full lifecycle data management from battery production to recycling. With this state management, fault warnings are implemented through both cloud and edge computing to ensure data integrity, safety, performance, and longevity for each battery. So they use this technology to precisely predict each individual cell's reliability and status by statistical modeling. They can simplify the battery detection and screening process. It's amazing technology. Our batteries boast a superb safety and quality record. To date, our lithium-ion batteries manufactured in Japan, the US and Europe have all been installed in over 480,000 electric vehicles with a 0 rate of critical malfunction. 0! That's incredible! We intend to maintain our excellent record whilst we move forward with the development of our next generation batteries. Look guys, I really like the look of this. If VGAC does intend to merge with Envision, I think it's going to be beautiful, absolutely beautiful, given the greater macroeconomic trends we're seeing in the EV market. So look guys, I know this is a quicker video than usual, but it's complete and utter speculation. I just wanted to give you guys a basic understanding of what's going on here because I see a lot of hype being created, and I have to be honest, I'm pretty hyped about it too. I'm excited to see what happens today. I'm excited to see if people decide to buy. I want to see if it gets pumped and dumped, or I want to see if it just gets pumped and if it stays up there. I have been speaking about SPACs on the channel a lot lately as well, and I have expressed concerns that it seems like you can throw money at pretty much any SPAC lately and it just booms up in value. The thing about me is I really do like investing in companies, and right now, if I am to invest in VGAC, I am hopefully, and I mean hopefully, investing in Envision, but it could be absolutely anybody. The target could end up being a company that I don't really like at all, and I'm just left sitting on those shares. And if most of the market like me doesn't like the company that they decide to merge with, well then, there's probably going to be a big sell-off, and we're going to lose some money. Really all I'm trying to say guys, is yet again, it's very speculative. Please do not go throwing money at this one unless you do some research and unless you're comfortable holding a company that you don't really know who it's going to be merging with. But my friends, if you enjoyed today's video and if you watched all the way until the end, you are a true legend and I really do appreciate you being here. If you would like to do something nice for me, please hit that like button. It helps me out so much, my friends. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this whole scenario. And please, if you are new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. Join the family of investors. If you're interested in joining my private Discord group, getting all of my buy and sell alerts, access to over 40 channels, join a community of over 500 investors, please hit that first link in the description, my friends. But please, hit it tomorrow, not today. Hit it the first because it charges on the first of every month. And also, if you do want your free stocks, hit that second link in the description. Sign up to Webull, deposit $100. It's that simple. You can make a whole lot of money. Anyway, my friends, I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day. I will see you for another video very soon. Peace.